Remember when building a website felt like wrestling a vending machine? You'd push one button, 3 errors fell out. That was then. Now it's a whole new game. Let me show you the then, now, next of web development in 120 seconds. Then, I'd stitch HTML, CSS, JavaScript by hand, chase bugs across tabs, and pray the layout didn't break on a phone. Every feature felt custom, slow, and fragile. Now, I build with Lego-style pieces. React, Vue, Angular give me reusable components, so complex interfaces click together fast. State? I keep it chill with Redux Vuex so data flows without drama. Design? Tailwind Bootstrap hand me responsive styles that look clean on any screen. And if I don't want to code every pixel, I don't have to. Low code, no code, let me drag, drop, and launch. I can prototype in hours, test an idea today, and ship tomorrow, no wizard rope required. Content used to be a headache. Now WordPress, Joomla, Drupal give me friendly dashboards, plus themes and plugins for almost anything. SEO forms shops, without reinventing the wheel. My editor is basically a co-pilot. VS Code, WebStorm auto-completes as I type. Flags mistakes early, debugs right inside the workspace. Git integration keeps the team in sync, so merging doesn't feel like diffing a novel. And the community? Always on. I level up with Codecademy, Udemy, Free Code Camp. I steal, legally, from open source, contribute back, and learn in public. Stuck at 2 a.m.? Stack Overflow, GitHub discussions have answers, patterns, and people who've seen my exact bug. So what's next? Even more simplicity. Smarter frameworks that do more with less. AI in my IDE that scaffolds components, writes tests, and explains errors like a patient mentor. More accessible tools so anyone with an idea can ship something real. Fast. Web development isn't about fighting the tooling anymore. It's about creativity, speed, and polish. If you've been waiting to build, this is the moment. Start small, iterate, and let the modern stack carry the weight. Because the best part? We're just getting started.